Hi, welcome to VNR videos. Today we are doing a Funko Pop battle. Here are the rules of the game. First we roll to see who goes first. Each of these power blocks represent our life. For every 2 hit points we lose 1 block. For odd numbers we round down. 1 hit point equals no damage. First one to lose all their blocks loses the battle. Today we are having a battle of 2 characters from the Star Wars movie Solo. That's why Han Solo and Chewy are watching the battle. I'll be battling as this nest, and I will be fighting as Rio Durant. Okay, here we go. We each have 12-sided dice. Whoever rolls the highest number goes first. Okay, I rolled a 1. And I rolled a 9. Okay, so that means you go first. Yeah, I'm awesome. Okay, 12. What the? That is awesome. That is so bad. That took away almost all of my hit points. Shoot. Okay. Now it's my turn after that crazy turn. Okay. I rolled a 10. Now you get a 5 blocks taken away. Hope you like that. That's how it felt. Okay.
I do not
Okay.
like it.
Now, your turn. Shoot, an 8. I get 4 taken away. Oh, he's almost winning this battle. Okay, how do you like that? 8. Come on, you lose 4 power blocks.
That's 3, not 4.
Okay, now your turn.
I got in 12.
Oh, I lost again. Rio Durant won, and Enfys lost.
Pew, pew, pew. I'm shooting you.
Thank you for watching our very first video. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. Comment down below who did you want to win, or who did you think was going to win. Click the bell so you never miss another video. Even though this is our very first video, we really want to make more for you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.